Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Space. How are you? I hope you're well. So in this video I'm going to be doing something that I do almost every day, and that is laundry. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video and keep watching. Laundry for me involves sorting clothes, and my basket has different sections which helps me to sort clothes. After sorting, I wash those clothes. After washing, I hair it. After hairing, then I fold them and place them back in the wardrobe. So this is how I'm going to be doing my laundry, because I have 3 kids and always need to keep their clothes clean. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video and keep watching. So while I go about my daily routine, I want to tell you something, and that is, as a woman, especially a woman with kids, you should always appreciate yourself, because it is not easy. Don't wait for anyone to do that for you. Treat yourself with kindness and respect, because that will lead to your overall well-being. Don't let anybody put you down, because your self-worth is not based on what others think of you, but what you yourself think about you. So my dear women, you are doing a great job. Take some time to appreciate yourself always. Look at the mirror and tell yourself, you are beautiful, you are doing a great job, the sky is your limit. There may be challenges, but you are doing great. You may not be perfect, but you are God's best. So I want you to believe in yourself, to achieve whatever it is that you set out for, and God will definitely see you through. So please relax and watch the rest of the video.